Yo, what is going on? Sweet Phil here, and today I'm doing a tutorial on how to do voiceovers in Davinci Resolve. If you like these super quick tutorials, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe up so you never miss any of the new ones. Now to start off here, I'm just going to show you the clip that I'm using here. It's just generic B-roll from a coffee shop. See, there's some coffee beans. They're making some coffee here, and I don't know, a French press, I guess. They're pouring some cream into the coffee. Looks like a good enough clip to me to use for this particular tutorial. Now you see I already lowered the volume on the audio because it was shooting way high. It was a real loud video there. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my camera because I always end up in the way for shooting this. So I'll be right back. Alright, now that I'm out of the way here, so we're going to go ahead first go over to the Fairlight tab. That is these musical notes right down here. Now that we're over on the Fairlight tab, you need a track that you're going to want to record on because you can't record over your music obviously. So over anywhere in this open area, right click, add track, and I'm going to add a stereo track. That's what most people are going to want to do. Now once you have that second track added, now you see A1 and then it added an A2 audio track 2. That's where we're going to be recording our voiceover. So click on input where it says no input, and you want to click input because you want to add one. And we're going to pick, I have a Blue Yeti microphone, so pick here, boom, boom. Because when you do stereo, there's left and right, so you want to pick both. And then you click patch. Now it connected my Blue Yeti to that track 2, or whatever microphone it is that you have will be there. Go ahead and close that page. Now once you're here, you click this arm for record button, but that will start hearing your voice through the program. So you're going to hear a double echo right here. It's difficult for me even to talk while I hear myself in the headphones, as you can tell. I always mute the entire program here so you don't hear anything when I'm doing voiceovers. That way I can actually speak without hearing that double echo between me talking and my headphones. Once you're there, this is the button you're going to click to start recording. It is the record button, obviously. And to stop recording, you press the spacebar key on your keyboard. So we're going to go ahead and do this voiceover here as an example. Here we are in Sweet Phil's coffee shop. There was some good looking coffee beans. Look at that yummy coffee. And we got to put some sweet cream into Sweet Phil's sweet coffee. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and listen to that real quick and see exactly how loud that is. So I had a little double echo there. I turned this stuff off to go ahead and check this out right quick. Here we are in Sweet Phil's coffee shop. There was some good looking coffee beans. Look at that yummy coffee. And we got to put some sweet cream into Sweet Phil's sweet coffee. So you've seen over here, I don't know if you see my mouse, I turned the volume down on audio track 2 so that the voiceover was not too loud. There's a few different ways you can accomplish this, but that's the easiest and most basic. So that's how you do a voiceover here in Davinci Resolve. If it helped you out, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe up so you never miss any of the future videos. Peace out, YouTube.